We want to look at how to change the cases of our in Microsoft Excel. For example, you have these names and you want to change the case to maybe uppercase, lowercase, proper case. So we want to look at how we can do that in Excel. But before we go to that, welcome back to the channel where we talk about PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment section. If you have any assignment, if you have any data entry job, you can drop it down in the comment section. So today I want to look at how we can write these names in proper case, uppercase, and lower case. So this, you can see this is Johnson with, there's not, the problem here is that it started with small letter. And normally names don't start with small letters. This one at the middle of the name, capital letter, weight, capital letter. So how can we, probably you were given data to arrange in seconds and the names are scattered in this format. So how do you tend to arrange it? Probably the person, your client, wants you to put it in form of proper case or uppercase, lowercase. When you say proper case, what we mean is that each of the names starts with capital letter, but uppercase, every word, every alphabet starts with the capital letter, while the lowercase, everything is in small letter. So let's look at the proper case. All you need to do is to click on this, type equal sign, then you type in proper. You can see that proper. They require just one text, so you choose this column, proper, then you close the bracket and hit enter. And once you do that, you see that it's not Johnson with, so you can just from here drag it down, everything will be arranged. You can see that. So that is it. That is how to put it in proper case. You can see that the first name is in capital letter, surname capital letter, other names are in small letter, capital, and others will be in small letter. You can see that this is arranged now, unlike these scattered ones. So with this method, you can easily send it to your client that you've done the job. For uppercase, same thing, you use the equality sign, you type in upper. You can see what the row converts a text string to uppercase letter. So you type it and double click on it, then you select the first name there, close the bracket and click on enter. Once you do that, everything becomes in capital letter. Double click on this small box here to arrange all other names. Now coming to lowercase, all you need to do equal sign, lower, not loss, lower, then you double click on it, then click on the first name, which is A2, column A, row 2, close the bracket and hit on what, enter. And so this is it. Every name appears in small letter. You can see that. So that is how to do it. Okay, so you can see that. So this is how you can change the cases of your document to proper case, uppercase, lowercase. So you can see how we've done that. You can see proper, then A2. This one is upper, A2, equal sign, and this is lower, A2. So this is how we can do change of case, proper case, uppercase, and lowercase. Thank you.